If we could blur any picture on any background picture, then how does it look? Today we'll see how to do it. What's up guys, hope you guys are fine. If you see our videos for the first time, please subscribe our channel. So without making any further delay, let's go to the screen directly. On the screen you can see that we are logging into Pixout. I'll have to click on plus icon. Here I select a photo. Now I will have to add another photo. This is the photo which will be blurred on the sea beach photo. I am just dragging and resizing its position. I just set it down here. Now I click on opacity. Once I decrease it, now you can see that picture color has been much light. I'm clicking on blend icon, some options of making a photo like multiply, darken, lighten, screen, etc, etc. I have selected lighten. Now you can see the final image comes up. Please subscribe our channel, hit the like button, share as many as possible, and give your comment what kind of video do you want. That will inspire us to make more creative